Ladies and gents, welcome back again for a new video. It's been a long time and I know, more than a week I believe, where usually I'd be making 3 to 4 videos a week and now, oopsies, I disappeared. And I know, right? My PC had some problems and I had to deal with that, and since now it's fixed, I guess I'm back. I miss you guys. I hope y'all doing good, and I hope everyone watching this video is having a good day, or a good night, or a good evening. Anyways, so the other day I was looking for a Linux distribution that I could showcase. Something a bit different, a bit special. And you know, there is a lot of Linux distributions here and there, and all of them are almost, and I mean almost, which means are literally the same, because they use the same desktop environments, the same things, the same structure. It's just a copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, and I'm not a big fan of that. I said that in multiple videos, because every time I want to showcase something, it's basically just a copy of something else but with different wallpapers and a different theme. So I came with an idea. I was like, let me take a trip back to the past and kind of look at the things they used to make, until I stumbled upon this Sun Solaris 10. Well, you still don't know how it looked like. You probably don't know how this thing looked like, and you think that it's a Linux distribution. Well, it's not. It's Unix based, and it's something from 2005, and I mean it. 2005, which means that Unix based operating system is 2 decades old. Cool, isn't it? Now, the most interesting thing is that this, and the way it looks, is kind of really nostalgic. Even though I didn't live in that era, I didn't experience that kind of Unix or Linux distributions back then, but I feel like it's really nostalgic to have. You have that feeling of nostalgia when you're using such a thing, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. If I just close this window real quick, and we go straight to Sun Solaris 10, a virtual machine that I created, and by the way, this took me an hour to find. So I was like in what it's called, Internet Archive, trying to find an ISO for this Sun Solaris 10, and I couldn't find it. I downloaded a couple Sun Solaris 10 ISOs, but they never worked, until I realized that Oracle itself still hosting the website or the place where you can download the ISO for the 2 decades old Unix based operating system. Really cool, just wanted to mention that. Now let's power on the thing and get straight to the point. Open that thing like that. Alright, so Oracle Solaris, and now it's gonna boot. Now keep in mind, I still didn't install this. It's my first time booting into it. I don't know how it looked like. I just know how the desktop looked like. I know it uses GNOME as the desktop environments. So what we have in here, we have 26 seconds. I gotta decide which one. Oracle Solaris, default custom. Oracle, should I choose number 3? Let's go with one. Let's go with one. Maybe it should be, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing, since this is really old. So Sun OS, so it's called Sun OS. Sun OS release 5.10, version, copyrights 1983. 2013, Oracle. I know that it was made by Sun something. I don't remember, but it wasn't made by Oracle. Alright? Yes, Oracle is where you can... the Oracle website, I mean, is where you can get the ISO and everything, but it wasn't made by Oracle. There was the company, if I'm right, let me just take a look real quick. Who made Sun Solaris 10? Alright, so Oracle Solaris, apparently it's called Oracle Solaris. So Oracle Solaris, offered by Oracle for Spark and workstations and servers, originally developed by Sun Microsystems. And this company, by the way, is the one that's made some machines back then, which are really cool. If I could find the images of, yeah, look at that. Well, what is this? Wait, what is this? Is that a server? You know those public bathrooms? That's how it looked like. But stuttering right now, but it looks like a server. This appears to be a server. No, okay, go over here. Yeah, they made some really cool machines back then that were really over-engineered, I would say. If you search for Sun Microsystems or Sun Solaris PC or something like that, you will find out some really cool machines. As it seems, they started making their servers and everything in 1987. So we're dealing with something that is really, really old. Close that anyways. Okay, so I can choose English and I can click F2 to continue. Thank you. Now press enter. All right, here you go. We have a mouse. Here is it. Wow, it's really smooth, but it's super fast. Look at it. Oh, no. Don't make it. Okay, so if this screen is legible, press enter in this window. Okay. And wow, it's really cool looking. Already, look at this. You don't. Wow. Okay, I like it. 0. I will choose 0 because I want to use English. Please make a choice. Completing system identification. All right. Please wait while the system information is loaded. Okay. So welcome. The following screen will gather information about this system. The information will be used to configure network. No. Okay, next. Select the network option for this system. So we have networked. Wait, networked. Okay, networked or non-networked. Should I use okay, let's just risk it. Next. DHCP for what? I guess let's click next. Host name for wait, what this E1000G0 stands for? Enter a host name which identifies the system. Okay, it's just a host name, alright. Okay, even though I took a really long break from YouTube, but I never changed. Next. IP address for next. Oh, I need an IP address? Okay, alright. I guess it's gonna be 0, 0, 0, and 0. Next. Come on. Net mask. Wait. Host name for what? Is that actually a username for the machine or for the network? Just keep it to your mom. I mean, yeah. Enable IPv6 for what that even means. Set the default routes next. Enable. Why did I even do this to myself? Name service. DNS. Okay. So Wi-Fi or internet related things. Bro, why there is a lot of questions? I guess I'm from Belarus. Next. Year, date and time. Alright, so 2025. I want to change it to 2005, but okay, just keep it the same because I want to use the internet on that thing. So this is a string to be used as a root password for the computer you are setting up. Password. You mean your mom. Alright, retype the above. Oh, you mean your mom again? Alright. Next. Notes. This choice only affects initial installs. It doesn't affect upgrades. What is that? Enable remote service? No. Or maybe yes. Or maybe, okay, just Oracle configure. No. I will agree. Yes, okay. User name, email, my Oracle support. No, don't tell me I will need to log in. Oh, thanks to God. Selection summary. Host name. Look at that. Your mom. Confirm. No, man. Okay, wait. Don't tell me I cannot install. Please confirm. What did I do wrong? Oracle Solaris install console. It says something about not found. What? Please don't do that to me. Back. Dude, I don't want it to be networked anymore. Go back. Go back. Next. Host name. I'm not gonna say your mom this time. Jason. Here you go. Maybe that's what caused this problem. Specify different. I don't know, man. What that even mean? Spain. Okay, use Estonia next. Maybe, I don't know. Wait, your mom, right? Okay, your mom. Keep it. This choice only affects initial install. Just select no. Maybe that will fix it. Yeah, it's working. Oh shit, I cursed. I'm sorry, guys. To get the next screen. Next. Reboots. Yes. Eject. What? No, eject. What? No, don't. I don't even have additional CDs and DVDs, whatever that means. Next. You must also manually eject. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Please specify the. I don't even have that, bro. I don't even have that. The system is being initialized. Please. Okay, so I guess it's getting installed. License. Alright. I never know that a UNIX operating system will be really this silly to install. Why too many questions? Why too many options to choose from? And why all of this? Just give me a next install. That's it. Don't make it complicated for me. Accept the next. Alright, so we have default install and custom install. Please select type of install. There is no please. Why did they say please? Where did I even read that? Am I tripping? Okay, select type of install. Install basic Solaris products and to the default, no, custom install provide. Choices of Solaris, okay, I guess we're just gonna go with the defaults. Next, the Solaris installer, okay. Can you just install this shit? Install. Thank you. All right, I guess we're done, right? Yeah, I guess we are. It's gonna install, then, wait, what was my username? It was Jason, then the password was your mom. Yes, just to keep that in mind, because, you know, I have Alzheimer, and every time I want to remember my password for something I installed, I don't remember it. It's a problem. I need to find a solution for this, you know? So let me just get a paper and a pen and type that shit down so I don't forget it. All right, so we're just gonna wait for this to get installed. Once it's installed, I'll get back to you guys. All right, so the installation is done, I guess. Pausing for 90 seconds. The wizard will continue to the next step unless the pause button is selected. Why there is even a pause button? Continue. So, what is this? Pausing for 30 seconds. The wizard will continue to the next step unless the pause button is selected. I don't need the pause button. Continue. What do you mean? The wizard will continue to the next step. The pause button is selected. Continue. Now it's rebooting, and I guess it's installed. I guess, I'm not sure. Because there was a lot of pause buttons, and those are scary. So Oracle Solaris, I guess we're good to go. Wait, is this gonna install for the second time, or like am I trip one? If it asks me for the language, like it did before, I'll probably have to detach the ISO from this virtual machine. Otherwise, it will keep booting to this. Alright, so I was right. Close. We don't need this. No, not help, not help. No, I don't need no help. Sorry for clicking that by mistake. Now go over here, somewhere to floppy and optical. You know what? It's all the way up here and power up. You know, keep the floppy and just remove optical. Let's see what will happen. Starts. Please be installed. Let's go! Here you go. Oracle Solaris. Yes, first option. Last shutdown is later than time on time of date chip. Check dates. Hostname Jason. What that even means? Why? Why this is so complicated? Last shutdown is later than time on time of date chip. Huh? What? What? Okay, that's kind of crazy, because what this means is probably something related to the CMOS battery or something like that. I'm not sure, or maybe you just didn't set the time right when I was going through the setup of the installation and everything. That's good to know. Now it's creating something. Creates a new JSON console log. Please tell me there is a desktop environment. Console login. You mean the password or the login? Which one? Because the password is it. No, wait. When I click on delete, oh wait. Okay, whenever I click on, okay, so JSON password is your mom. All right, can I get to something? Login and it's your mom. This is correct. Jason. Oh, I clicked the word. What? Enter your username. What was happening all this time? Okay. I guess I'm surprised, but like, let's enter the username. No, it's not. It's Jason. Please enter your username, Jason. Please, the password, please. It's your mom. I swear. Don't make me go through the installation. Oh man. All right. I forgot the password. Oh yeah, I fucking did. Your mom. It must be right. Come on. Can I click on something? What is this? Language remote login. Reset logins. Starts over. Okay, can I start over? Can I go? Wait. There must be some admin. I just realized there must be some admin login to this. So if I type Sun Solaris 10 admin login, there must be one. I'm sure about that. How to enable, disable multiple. Solaris. Let's type Solaris and see what will happen. Go over here. Solaris. Then Solaris, please. No, starts over. Can I start over? I'm getting frustrated. What's the password? Okay, guys, give me a minute.
1 hour later.
You wouldn't believe it, but I reinstalled the whole thing once again. But it just keeps saying login incorrect. Please try again. So this time I reinstalled it and I set the login to Jason and the password to Jason. But guess what? It doesn't work. So let's just give it a couple seconds and here you go. Login incorrect. Please try again. I don't know what to do with this. I want to get to the home screen or the desktop, but I cannot simply because my password or something is going on. So it says welcome to Jason. Please enter your username. Wait. Does it have to do something with the G1000, whatever that is? You know what? I will make another research and see what is going on.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
That's really the silliest thing I ever encountered. So they asked me to enter my username, then my password. Then when I entered my username, it doesn't work. So I had to enter root and then enter my own username. No, my own password. Really weird. I don't know what is going on, but I got it to work. Welcome to Oracle Solaris. The following desktops are available. Which one would you like to use as your default desktop? So we have Java desktop system release 3, and we have common desktop environments. Common desktop environments is so that's why. By the way, thank you Linux User Media for providing the roots, or maybe just at least giving me a hint of what I should do, because he entered roots and I just guessed or thought that he might just entered his password after that, and it did work. Yeah, my guess was right. So CDE desktop, let's just say desktop environments and see how it looked like. Oh wow. So which one should we take? This one? This looks really amazing. Wow. So which one is pre-selected? Oh, this one is pre-selected. And we have the Java desktop system. I will check that one out as well. So we have Java desktop. What does it say again? System release 3. System release 3. Here you go. Image. This one look more like Windows 98. I don't like it. You know what? I will take the other one. Let's take this one over here. Common desktop environments. Okay. The common desktop environments, aka CDE, has been. Oh, okay. Then okay. I'll show this. All right. Wow. Oh wow. Okay. What do you feel while looking at this? First of all, it's good looking. For something that was released in 2005, it's good looking. Yeah, some people might not agree with that, but you know, why did I close it? I was just this. Oh wait, that doesn't close it. Let's make it bigger. What is this? Huh? What is this then? Does that close? I'm not gonna close it now. Well, what is this? We have boots, installer, copyright, something about this file have been reading only. Wow, I would actually install this. If this was something I could use on modern Linux, like as a desktop environment, I will make a little research after finishing recording this video. Okay, I will close this with this, right? Okay, so this does close it. We have offered to provide source code. We have Solaris 10, tools. You know what's close this? And this seems the roots, to be the roots, yeah? We have bin, boot, CD-ROM. It's really close to the Linux thingy. It's basically Linux, but it's Unix. Linux is based on Unix. Wait, Linux is Unix, right? And Unix is no wait. You know what? Forget about it. Close this. Help viewer. So what is this? We have audio something. We have basic desktop skills. Can I click on this? Oh wait. I need to read all of this. I'm really lazy, I guess. Skills, beginning user. Look at this mouse icon. Wow, this is really cool. Wait, is that a mouse with 3 clicks? Huh. All right. Okay, keyboard shortcuts. Close this. Just will you look at that? That's a web browser over here, or a clock. Huh, that's a clock. Is it opening something? Yes, it is. Here you go. Yes, Firefox. Oh, this is Firefox. This is really old. Firefox is currently okay. Yes, I don't mind. The Google icon. Twit. Wikipedia, eBay, wow, Amazon, Bing. Who uses Bing? Who uses Yahoo? Wait, Yahoo still exists? I believe so. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. But Google, look at the Google icon. Can I search something? Let's just search this. I feel it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Oh no, I don't think it's gonna load anything. This is like 20 years old. What do you mean? It's not gonna open a. Was this here when I like what is? Can I search? Mercedes. Nope, I can't. Well, can I connect it to the internet at least? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, so is that more like virtual desktop thingy? So if I open, let's say if I open this, right? And I go to 2 and I open, oh wow, look at the right click. I open folder, trash can. Let's just open the trash can here. And then 1 we have this. Oh yeah, so this is a virtual desktop thingy. I thought it's more like a wallpaper thingy, but it will not make sense, right? Close. Copyright. That's a file text editor as it seems to be. So if I right click on this, right, it will let me create something. Nope, it doesn't. Seems like it. Help viewer. Damn, this looks good. So I didn't mention it in the beginning, but this wasn't made for normal people like me and you, but it was made for businesses only. Or maybe I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what Wikipedia says. Problems, loading page, and there's a little fly next to me. The fly is on the microphone, and this is annoying. Oh my! Sorry guys, did you hear that? You heard nothing. Forget about it. What we have over here? Bin. Okay, so that's the file manager. What is this? Some email typing thing. Oh, that's text editor. Leave a like. Yeah. Look at this. Can I make it bigger? Oh no, the shortcut doesn't work. Alt this. No, I cannot make this bigger. I wanted to make the text a bit bigger than that. So if I go to the settings and the paragraph, no, close options. I don't know what that means. Okay, close. What is this? Oh yeah, that's the same thing I clicked on before. I don't know what I'm doing, but I know if I click on this, wow, install icon. What if I click on this? It's like a right click for every icon here. So mail. So that's a mail thingy. Local. So I can send mails by clicking on this, and they will say, for example, to your mom. And no, actually, that's a bit too. Come on, let's just say I'm sending it to, I don't know, SpongeBob. Is that how to type SpongeBob? Not sure. You type your thing over here. Hey, how are you doing? I misspelled that. I miss you. And then I will just send. Okay, so there's a send. Just send it. Okay, I want to text SpongeBob. Stupid. Did this crash? No, it's still working. But yeah, that's how they used to send emails, which is really nostalgic. I love it. So if I click back on this again, it doesn't disappear. I'm stuck with it. Oh, no, it's gone. Oh, please close this. Now the question is that close this. No, oh my god. All right, please. What about this? We have a web browser, we have personal bookmarks, and we have find web page in the World Wide Web. I cannot find anything because it's not connected to the internet, but I still didn't know or understand or find or know what that does. And it appears to be just a trash can. And if you want to empty your trash can, let's say we'll create a folder over here somehow. I don't know how they do that. Create action, desktop control. Wow, there's a lot of things in here. Mail, links. I just want to create. Why there is all this? What? Wait. Why do I have extra icons over here? What is this? Can I close it? Oh, so anything that I open shows up in the desktop itself. What about this? Performance meter. Let's see what it's doing. I don't see any performance meter. Maybe it's opening in the background, or maybe not. Is this a printer thingy? Yep. I was right. Defaults, printer, print manager, and whatever that is. What is this? Style manager. So I can change the style. These icons. Okay. So if anyone that can port these icons to something like Linux, please do it. Those are really nice icons. Maybe they're available already. I'm not sure. I will actually search for something like this. Backdrop. What is that? Keyboard, mouse, a mouse with 3 clicks will do. Let's look at that. 1, 2, 3. Well, in 2005 they had this like mouse rolling thing, right? I was right? Like, no. Yeah. I don't think the mouses with 3 clicks were common back in 2005. Somebody was definitely using one of those, but it wasn't really the thing back then. But maybe, and just maybe, I'm guessing, the Sun Solaris PCs or desktops came with something like this. A mouse with 3 clicks and a keyboard of their own, if you get my points. So that's why they have settings made specifically for their mouses. Sorry. Okay, cancel. What about this? I still didn't open this thing. Can you please open it? And it doesn't seem like it's want to open, which is really annoying. Please, maybe? Nope. No, it doesn't work. Sad. The whole system info. Yep. So anything important? Type. Ooh, make a lot of sense. That make a lot of sense. I never know that those Sun Solaris PCs were i86 PCs. Interesting. And i386, nice. Operating system. So it's called Sun Solaris 10, but at the same time they call it Sun OS release 5.10, generic, whatever. Desktop is CDE. And system last booted Tuesday, September 30, 2025. Nice. Console. We have a console. Now what can we do with console? This is Unix, right? What can I do with the console? With Unix, with no internet access, I cannot download anything. I cannot there is nothing really interesting. Yeah, there is CD at least. Close. Answer books. Huh? Oracle Solaris documentation. So that's a documentation you can read. Answer book server no longer needed. So maybe that's something where you can find answers for your questions about Sun Solaris 10. Desktop introduction. Yes, that's the thing that was opened before. Find host. This host, and performance meter doesn't want to work, which is silly. Lower this, or maybe this. Keep this. What is this? Device, CDE, error log, style manager. Oh yeah, I was missing. Oh yeah, it's already up. Starts up Windows. Can change the windows. Use icon box. Icon box. Show content during move. Yes. Activate. Point Windows to click in Windows. No, point to Windows to activate it. That is much better. Must be. They're gonna restart the whole thing. Oh no, it's working. It's working. No worries. Let's see what we have in here. So that's a screensaver. Fire. Wow. Oh, this is annoying. No, this is creepy. What is this? Wait, what is this? Seriously. Conway's game of life. Heard of that? Random bouncing images. Well, that's not an image. That's an X on the screen. Going over and over again. Okay. What is this? It's kind of weird, but it's called Hopalong Integrated Freckles. Cosmic. My eyes. No, that's too much. I don't like it. I see that somewhere. Maybe Windows XP, no? It reminds me of Windows XP. Or maybe Windows 98. I'm not sure. We have Swarm. Can I please? Why does my mouse go to the... Oh my god. My mouse goes to the top every time I want to use this. Okay, what is this? Yeah, let's actually use it as our screensaver. Fonts. We have only one, which is the default. Probably can add or delete fonts. We have colors. Oh, okay. So wait, the selected palettes will take effect at your next session. Well, that's a thing. I don't even try it. I like this color. Backdrop. What is that? So instead of calling it a wallpaper, they call it backdrop. Interesting. Smooth. No. This one looks good, right? But I can just maybe find it. Oh, this one. Toronto. Okay. All right. Which one should I choose? This one? Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Which one is good? This one feels like, gives you like a Mac OS feeling for some reasons. I don't know why. Choose this one? Let's keep the default. Yeah, let's keep default. Now the thing I want to change. What was it again? I told you guys. I have Alzheimer. What was it? I was gonna do something. Yeah, fix the resolution. Screen. What is the resolution? Where can I change the resolution? Window? No, it's not window. Well, go back over here. It must be somewhere over here. Tools, desktop controls. Well, that's something. Screen, window, extras, Axis X. No, I don't think I changed the. Please. Tools, terminal. There's nothing in here. Window, look display, and we have customize the menu. Yeah, what about customizing the menu? So I can like change things here and there. So interesting. Is there any games? That's the question. Is there any games over here? Where can I find them? Cards, file, folders, help, and hosts, links, mails, and tools. So no games whatsoever because it was made for businesses. Why will they have games? Maybe like some cards games at least to play in their free time. I don't know. So I guess I will stop over here for now. But I have, future ideas for this. First of all, I want to connect to the internet. Second of all, I want to install games on it. I don't think I will find any, or maybe I will. It's Unix based, so there's definitely some Unix games available that I can install. And third of all, is that how to say it? I want to install this on an actual machine and see how it's going to perform. So if you're interested in seeing something like that, please let me know in the comments because I want to have video ideas for my next videos. So it will be really nice if you help. And yep, this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching till the end. Hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And maybe, and just maybe, leave a comment. I will see you in the next one. Bro, there is literally another fly in my hand while I'm recording. What the hell? Ah, that was so close, alright? That was so close. Where is it? Got you, bitch. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I gotta go.